I bought these wooden snowshoes at a yard sale last summer, and when I finally went to use them this winter, I realized the leather bindings had been put on incorrectly. So next I adjusted the binding so that my toe could fit through the opening and pivot, and I did not have to walk flat-footed. Again, I ran into problems where my boot would slide forward and my toe would catch the board. My LL Bean boots are slippery and rubber, so the best solution was to move the toe bindings in for a much narrower fit. Another tip is to angle the heel strap as high as you can. This will reduce the chances of the strap slipping off your foot. Let's hit the trail and see how they work.